Now very most important topic, that is rate of hydration. Rate of hydration given following alkenes. Find out rate of hydration given following alkenes. Here out of these three, which one, here three compounds are there. Out of these three, which compound having fast rate of hydration? That is one, that is called, that is isobutene is there, one butene is there, two butene, three compounds are there. What is the rate of hydration order? So generally we know, student, the rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Once again, student, stability of this rate of hydration depends on stability of carbocation. We know stability of order, we know carbocation order, we know that is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation, secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. We know that is the stability order. So this rate of hydration is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. So now here in first compound, student, this double bonded compound, having this weak pi bond is there, this bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge, and here also double bond is there, this bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge, and here this is unsymmetrical alkene, this is symmetrical alkene. So this symmetrical alkene is both are equal is there, so this double bond shifting we can any side, left to right or right to left, the both are equal. So this is symmetrical compound, this bond shifting towards right hand side, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. This is the order, student. So now what I said, student, that is rate of hydration is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. In first one, there is what is that is rate of hydration, tertiary carbocation is the more stable. So we know there is no doubt, this is tertiary carbocation, this is the secondary carbocation, this is also secondary carbocation. There is no doubt, but tertiary carbocation is rate of hydration will be more. So here that's first priority goes to second tertiary carbocation. A is more rate of hydration. A is more rate of hydration. A compound is A is the more rate of hydration. Then B or C, out of these two, which one is more rate of hydration? How to find out, student? So generally rate of hydration depends on the rate of hydration depends on carbocation, tertiary, secondary, primary. But tertiary is there. But B compound and C compound both are having secondary carbocation. Out of these two, which one is first priority? So you remember, student, if in case carbocation stability, this carbocation stability is same. This is also secondary carbocation, this is also secondary carbocation. When carbocation stability is same, then lesser stable alkenes gives faster hydration. You remember, student, lesser stable alkenes. Find out the stability of alkene. Out of these two, which one is the less stable, which one is the more stable of alkenes? If first one carbocation is not considered, student, find out the stability of alkene. Out of these two, B and C compound, which one is more stable, which one is least stable? How to find out stability of alkene, student? Stability of alkene, stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. Stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. So here this is double bonded carbon, this double bonded carbon, left hand side carbon is called alpha carbon. This alpha carbon containing only alpha hydrogen. Here two alpha hydrogens are present, student. B compound having two alpha hydrogen, but C compound means this double bonded compound, this double bonded carbon, beside carbon is called alpha carbon, right side also alpha carbon. Here this C compound having two alpha carbons are present. C compound having two alpha carbons containing total, this is left hand side carbon having 3 alpha hydrogen, right hand side also having 3 alpha hydrogen, total 6. C compound having 6 alpha hydrogen, B compound having only 2 alpha hydrogen. You remember, student, B compound having only 2 alpha hydrogen, C compound having 6 alpha hydrogen. Out of these two, which one is more stable, student? Stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. Stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. More number of alpha hydrogens are there, that compound more will be the stable. The alpha hydrogen or hyperconjugation, more number of hyperconjugates are more will be the stable. Hyperconjugates means depends on alpha hydrogen. that alpha hydrogen is equal to alpha hydrogen is equal to hyperconjugation. Simply remember student, here 2 alpha hydrogens are there, this 2 alpha hydrogens equal to 2 hyperconjugates. Here 6 alpha hydrogens are there, these 6 alpha hydrogens equal to 6 hyperconjugates. So here the stability of alkenes depends upon the number of alpha hydrogens or number of hyperconjugation. Alpha hydrogens equal to hyperconjugation only, simple. But here 6 hyperconjugates are there. C compound having 6 hyperconjugates, B compound having 2 hyperconjugates. Out of these two, which one is more stable? C compound having more stable than B compound. C compound having more stable than B compound. But what is the rule here, student? You remember point, student? Rate of hydration means, that is rate of hydration, that means lesser stable alkanes, lesser stable, you remember, so this is very most important point, student. Lesser stable alkene gives faster hydration, you remember, student. Lesser stable alkenes gives faster hydration, faster rate of hydration. So here, out of these two lesser stable, which one is less stable? B compound is less stable than C compound. B compound is less stable. Why? Because of less hyperconjugate. So that's why it is a lesser stable. Lesser stable alkenes gives faster hydration. So what is the order, student? Out of these two, B compound and C compound, out of these two, which one is faster hydration? Faster rate of hydration means B compound. B is faster than C. This is the order, student. This is the order, student. You remember. A is more stable than B. Sorry, A is more rate of hydration than B. B is more rate of hydration than C compound. This is a simple trick, student. Generally, rate of hydration depends on stability of carbocation. But you know, stability of carbocation, tertiary is faster than secondary, secondary is faster than primary. But if in case two compounds having same categories there, same, these two compounds are having same, the two compounds are having same, means that is same secondary carbocation. B compound also having secondary carbocation, C compound also having secondary carbocation. Now what to do? That is depends on stability of alkenes. Out of these two, which one is more stable? Depends on stability. We know how to find out stability order. We know stability order, that depends on stability order, depends on number of hyperconjugates or number of alpha hydrogen. So here, out of these two, a B compound having only 2 alpha hydrogen, so that's why it is a lesser stable. C compound having 6 alpha hydrogen, so it is more stable. So out of these two, which one is lesser stable? B compound is lesser stable. So that's why lesser stable alkenes gives faster rate of hydration. It is very most important, student. Lesser stable alkenes gives faster rate of hydration. This is the very most important for NEET and other MCET and other competitive exams also, student. This is the rate of hydration order. A is more rate of hydration than B. B is more rate of hydration than C. This is the simple, you remember, simple tricks, you remember. So that is the same carbocations are the compound. If in case when carbocation stability is same, then the lesser stable alkenes gives faster hydration. You remember, student. Lesser stable alkenes, less stable compound. You remember, simple. Less stable compounds gives faster hydration, and more stable compounds, more stable alkenes, lesser hydration. This is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.